This is a little downhill right here.
Yeah, I know.
How we doing?
Okay, how are you?
Hello.
Thank you.
Let's get back. There's no guard on this one.
Oh, no bar, okay.
Let's get back.
Well, that's sad. This lift doesn't operate normally. This will take us right up to the bottom of the plunge. And yes, it is a bottom drive, unlike its sister, Lift 7.
I would have thought they'd have made this a top drive since it sits right down in the town. Probably just a cost savings issue.
Why is Lift 7 a top drive then? Why didn't they just
Because
make it?
you don't want the noise down there where the people are, right? There's a hotel right there.
Yeah.
But Oak Street's only open 6 hours a day, so maybe that's what they figured.
And it doesn't operate that much. It usually only operates around spring break, I think. Doesn't service that good trails either. All the trails are up that plunge.
It could be, these trails could be okay if the snow was excellent.
Yeah. This is the only video of Oak Street
Ever made in the history of man.
ever taken. Yep. Even Ski Lift Channel didn't have a video of it. Hopefully this one won't stop as much. I don't know, why didn't they put a bar on this? Doesn't get too high off the ground, maybe like 20 feet, 25.
Yeah.
But still. I can still hear the drive. I don't know. I think most of the lifts on the town side are just to get you up to the main area. I don't think the runs down are that fun. You agree?
Well, not under these conditions, but they would be okay if there was lots of snow on it.
Maybe.
Anything is fun when it's got 3 to 4 inches of powder on top of it.
Mm-hmm.
It changes when there's 3 to 4 inches of light powder on top of pack powder. Anything's fun.
Mm-hmm. These grips are pretty tiny. Look at them. Look at how short they are compared to the other grips. I mean, they're not detachable, so they don't need to be that long. Because this lift doesn't run a shaft, it's detachable. I think we're nearing the top right here. Shake, 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 shake. Why is it so noisy?
Who
old.
makes
I guess.
this lift?
Huh? SLI.
So,
But SLI was bought out by Riblet, and Riblet went bankrupt.
SLI means what?
I don't know.
Something Lifts International?
Yeah, probably.
Ski Lifts
Standard
Interna-
Lifts International, maybe.
Or Ski Lifts International?
I have no idea. I haven't looked at it. But Riblet
Or
bought them
maybe
out.
it's Small Lifts International.
Alright, here we are nearing the top. This should be the bottom of Plunge right here on the top of Oak Street. You can see how Plunge is looking.
There's Oak
Alright,
Street.
there's the top.
Where's Plunge?
Plunge is right there.
Oh, nice.
It's the newest lift here by 21 years. Check it out. It's a pretty standard Unity. Pretty steep too. Steeper than it looked in the video.
Oh, they got good music too.
Bruh. It's a top drive, even though it's really exposed up there. This is one of the few chairlifts with the depression towers at the top station. Great on the going left.
I'm going left.
Looks like it has a red shift. Interesting. Okay, let's get ready to
Jesus,
unload.
closed. I don't know what that is.
Doesn't matter.